You know, there's this incredible force all around us, one we barely even notice, but it's shaping our world in massive ways. It's the reason tiny insects can walk on water, and it's why raindrops are, well, drops. Today, we're diving into this invisible superpower, surface tension.
All right, so let's kick things off with a bit of a puzzle. Something that, when you first see it, looks totally impossible. It's a true feat of nature, and it really sets up the central mystery we're going to solve together today.
I mean, really, how do they do it? Take something like a water strider. Logically, it should sink, right? It's definitely denser than water, and yet, there it is, gliding across the top like it's a solid sheet of glass. This isn't magic, not at all. It's pure physics, and we're about to figure out the secret.
Okay, so our first big clue to crack in this case lies in what you could call water's invisible skin. Now, obviously it's not our real skin, but it's an absolutely perfect way to think about what's happening right there on the surface of the water.
So here's the official, sciencey definition. Surface tension is basically the tendency for the surface of a liquid to shrink and pull itself into the smallest possible area. This creates a kind of thin film, almost like a membrane, that can actually support weight, which is exactly what that little water strider is using to its advantage.
Yeah, the easiest way to think about it is just to picture a trampoline. If you put something light on it, the surface just stretches and holds it up. Water's surface is doing pretty much the same thing. But the really cool part is getting into why this invisible skin even exists.
And to get that, we have to zoom in. I mean, way in. We're going to go all the way down to the molecular level to see how this skin is actually being built. This is where we get into the science of stickiness.
The whole thing, the entire effect, it all boils down to one simple but powerful force: cohesion. And all cohesion is the natural attraction between molecules that are alike. It's the force that makes water molecules want to, well, stick together.
A great way to picture this is to think of every single water molecule as a tiny little magnet. They're all attracted to each other, constantly pulling inward, basically holding hands with all of their neighbors. And this massive group hug is what makes water so sticky to itself.
Okay, and this is the most important part, so listen up. A water molecule deep down inside a glass of water is getting pulled on from every single direction. Up, down, left, right. All those forces just cancel each other out. But a molecule right at the surface is a different story. It doesn't have any water molecules above it, so it's only getting pulled sideways and, crucially, downwards into the rest of the water. All those surface molecules being pulled down creates that tight elastic layer we call surface tension.
Now you'd think this force would be unstoppable, right? Well, not exactly. It's actually shockingly easy to break. All you need is a little saboteur, something that can get right in between those water molecules and just break up the party. And believe it or not, you definitely have this saboteur in your house right now.
It's soap. A soap molecule is basically a double agent. One end of it, the head, absolutely loves water, but the other end, the tail, hates water and loves things like oil and grease. So when you put soap in water, these little molecules rush to the surface. Their water-loving heads dive in, but their tails want to stay out. They literally wedge themselves between the water molecules, pushing them apart and breaking up those tight bonds, and poof, the tension is broken.
Okay, so bugs walking on water is cool, and breaking tension with soap is a neat party trick, but why does this tiny force actually matter in the grand scheme of things? Well, it turns out surface tension makes life and a ton of our technology possible in ways you probably never even thought about.
For starters, it's helping you breathe right now. There's a special fluid in our lungs that uses surface tension to keep our tiny air sacs from collapsing. It helps plants pull water all the way from their roots to their highest leaves. It's the reason raindrops form into neat little spheres. It's even how your inkjet printer can form those perfectly precise dots of ink. Our world would be a totally different place without it.
This quote just nails it perfectly. The surface of water really is like a battleground. And it's that constant, delicate dance between these forces, all these molecules pulling on each other, that shapes so much of the world we see every day.
So, the next time you see a single drop of dew on a leaf or, a bug just cruising across a pond, you'll know the incredible, invisible force that's making it all happen. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other hidden forces are out there, quietly shaping our reality, just waiting for us to notice?